Okay, so this is the beautiful Burns table saw, and now I've attached the tilting table, and I'd like to be able to measure my angles here, but the trouble is I have to hold this and hold that and hold everything at the same time, and it's just a bit awkward. So I'm going to build something that hopefully will take care of that problem. Got a few pieces of I don't know, 1x4 and 1x3, and a piece of 1x2 here, and a what is it called? A brad hole tee. It's just a, let's see, it's a brad hole tee. It's got a thread on the inside. Looks like a little top hat. It's got 3 holes in it for putting screws or bolts through, and then a bolt which will screw into this. And the big idea here is to put this here, tighten the table, have a bolt that will go up and down while I measure the angle over here. So we'll see if this all works, eh? I have a base here, a stand like this, and when this is cut out, this will be right on here, and this will be in there, and then the bolt can go up and down. Hopefully that'll work, huh? Everything fits on a Burns saw. And beautiful. It's going to be the stand, and I'm just making it basically the height of the table minus the thickness of the head here, because I want this bolt to be able to go all the way down below the tabletop. And I need to cut this out. I don't know if this will cut this deep, but it ought to. Okay. Here's the fence. I've got a little pencil line marked on here where it should wind up. Okay. Oops. Okay. So I'm going to cut out the rest here with a little handsaw. Well, let's see. I once had a saw. Blah blah blah. And that saw ran away. But she came running back. Cut a notch out of this thing. Then I can slap it on here. And that just makes it so I can really, so when I screw it on here, it won't tend to wiggle waggle. Okay, this piece is going to go in here with the little hat down, so it'll be, good God, it'll be countersunk into this thing here. And this is a 16th inch hole, because I'm using a 3/8 inch bolt. I wasn't on camera, so I'll do her again. All I did was I picked a spot for this, not very scientific. Draw a circle around it. Just make a little plus sign in the middle so I know that's where I'm drilling my 1/2 inch hole. And then I can cut her off somewhere about here. Ta-da! Ain't that just spiffy? Okay, this goes right in there just like God planned. Okay, so I'm going to need a few screws in these little holes here. These are number 4 screws. They look about right. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll do the trick. You can see that. Okay. Okay. What I got? Are we on screen? We use on screen. Okay, so yeah. So I got some 1¼ screws here. Doesn't really have to be square, it'll work anyway, but this is how I impress everybody. This looks just dandy, huh? Okay. Then I need a little stand for it. Okay, so here we go. We've got this stand belt. Put it like this to have this a little further towards the inside. Oh, let's see what that one is up about. About 1.5 inches in. Here. Okay, so that means the screws will go in right in the middle here. Okay. Okay, so right about here and here are going to be my holes. And then take this here and bring this guy down. Okay. Yeah, of course, all this depends on this thing standing straight up, so I'm going to make a bigger hole than this. Okay, so I got a 3/4 inch bit. Here's the old drill. waste wood. I didn't drill through all the way, partly because that bit's so darn dull. Also because it really doesn't have to go through all the way. I just want it to be able to go down some. I don't want it to lift the table up. Okay, so Laura we be, and go test her out. Okay, so I've got the tilting table on here. First thing to check is, I'll loosen these nuts up, move this out of the way, and can I get this down? Yep, I can get it down below the height of the table here. That's what I wanted to make sure that this top of this bolt is lower than the table, so I can get down to good old 0 degrees. I just bring this out here, tighten the knurled nuts. All I have to do to adjust the angle, I'll do it way out here so you can see it a little better, is just turn this bolt and it'll just bring this guy up to whatever angle I please. So, and the way I can measure the angle is I've got a digital angle gauge here. I'll set her down here. Set it to 0. This is an 1/8 inch above this table. So I've got an 1/8 inch spacer here. I'll throw a piece of masking tape on it. I want 17-degree angle. This is reading about 12.7. I can bring it out here so you can see it. Okay. Depending, obviously, if it gets pushed away from the table, it's going to change it. So it might be good to put some rubber underneath this here. But my main goal here is to be able to adjust the angle without having to hold on to 19 things at once. Okay, 14.9. I have to keep sliding the angle gauge in this way, so it keeps touching both points on here. 16.6. Oh, 17.2, 17.1, 17.0 degrees. You have to make sure that this angle gauge is resting on both this and that and the table here. So right now suddenly it went to 15.4, 16.2, 16.9. Up 17. Oh, let's slide her up so that. Okay, 17.3. There we go. 17.1. 17.0. Yeah. Well, it looks like I can get within about 1/10 of a degree pretty nicely. And now I can just tighten up these right here. And I've got my cutting angle here. Okay. I'm going to use it. Of course, I remove this. I can tighten, loosen. I can take this away. Now I can just slide this back and forth. and I've got my perfect angle on here. So obviously this guide goes up and down so I could have it wherever the heck I want. I went ahead and just cut out a piece of this. It's a yoga mat, they say, but it's a non-slip surface. So it'll sit on here and it's gonna, instead of this sliding around beautifully, it'll slide around less nicely. And that way, screws going up and down, it won't be so likely to move around. Ta-da! Whoopee, huh? And I'm not even going to glue it on because that way I can shake it off and clean it off. And the RCB, the subtle angle adjuster for the Burns table saw. And I didn't show it, but this table saw goes all the way up to 45 degrees, and this will, because this is 5 inches long and that travel is 4¼ inches, this will go all the way up to 45 degrees. Ding. And life is good. Thank you kindly.